Cable television has become indispensable and reliable source of information and entertainment right at the comfort of your home. Global News Network. Now, One Media Network is one of those public affairs cable channel based in the Philippines that vows to uplift the lives of the Filipinos by giving up-to-date programs that are part of the quick and changing times. Global News Network TV48 Naga in the Bicol region started on 2011 under the leadership of the late Managing Director Alfredo Imperial Perdon, who introduced local programming under his watch. Some of the program were born. The flagship programs of GNN TV48 Naga were Inside Bicol, hosted by the Managing Director Alfredo Perdon. Ini Ang Totoo, hosted by former board member and KBP Advisory Council Chairman Ernie Verdadero. Get Real and Weekend News Review, hosted by Carmi Azor. Science Journey, hosted by the couple Tess and Levi Francisco. News Force Bicol and Anything Under the Sun, hosted by Adonis Aguilar Jr. In 2017, Managing Director Alfredo Perdon passed away due to cardiac arrest, and Global News Network TV48 Naga has stopped its operation due to some circumstances. But in 2018, when the management of GNN TV Network in Manila decided to operate again the operation in the Bicol region under the new management. On February 1, 2019, as part of the channel's restructure, GNN was rebranded as One Media Network. During its transition period, it aired promo advertisements from various channels that are available on GSAT. Its local affiliate stations in Naga and Pampanga remained active of its own programming while retaining the GNN brand until during the second quarter of 2019, when they followed the suit without changes on programming. One Media TV48 Naga is headed by the leaders in broadcast industry, Irene Tusok, Admin Officer, Jenolyn Bilhera, Marketing Supervisor, Adonis Aguilar Jr., News and Information Head, Ed Abundabar, Chief Technician, Christopher Palomania, Production Head, Bong Villacruz, Marketing and Sales Head, Mike Regalado, Chief Editor, RJ Rebedorial, Graphic Artist. With the sheer dedication and craftsmanship of the news station manager and managing director, Mr. Marius C. Villanueva, the president of the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, with the guidance of the chairman and CEO of One Media Network, Mr. Philip J. Chen. With the new team of One Media TV48 Naga, now located at their new home at the 5th floor, ST Building, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. They make sure that all the news aired in your home is made with substance and good taste. Watch fair, balanced, and comprehensive reports to the heart of the action. Important newsmakers were present during Saturday on Sabado Buzz with Bong V. Watch sports during the Bicol University's Colleges Athletic League. And soon, the Collegian Quiz Bee program, Sing With Me on the Phone, Go for Federalism Show, and Community Service Program. One Media TV48 Naga, Television Network, for one country, one people, one world.